guys, welcome back to the channel. Paul here, and today we have a little bit of an update, changing the last update. So you can see now we have Ninjago right here, and it's going to be connected to the waterway. And now we have ordered, we got not too many, but we got some transparent 1x2 water things, so we can put them on the ocean. But when we put this in the city, we realized that it was on a base plate, and then there's plate here. So now we're gonna be like plating the whole ocean, where we're gonna have light blue close to the sand and get darker as we go, because I've been watching Brixie videos on that, and it's looking amazing. We've changed up the emergency center, which not really changed up, but we've put together. We have a fire station and police station kind of together on two base plates, and then a parking lot there. And then what that helps us do is, when we have this thing, the buggy you can go through the ambulance area into the parking lot. Very useful. The emergency area, or the emergency not corner, it's just street now. The modular buildings have been moved over, and we really need, I think, like only 40 more subscribers till I can get that boutique hotel. It looks like such a fun build. Can't wait if that happens. We've moved the Twilight House. We have the Modern Mansion over there. My sisters made this 6-7 thing. We have this, my Modern Mansion. Then we have the botanical gardens, and then just open grass area, and then the zoo. That's it for today. Bye guys, please like and subscribe to Paul's Lego City.